In pre-Hispanic times, the cult of death was one of the elements basics of the culture. When some died, they were buried wrapped in a petate, and their relatives organized a party themselves in order to invite him on his journey to Mictlan in the same way the blessed food that he liked in life, with the belief that he could come to feel hunger.
Then die of the dead is the indication vision that implies the wrath of the shoot on the skies for after being returned to the world for the living, to live with their lives and nourish themselves with the exception of the food that they prepare similar to put it in and dar en honor de fund, altar en honor de fund de Hexer.
The offering is a ritual in which people can fulfill that wish when they say, I would like to be with that person even one more time. The offering on the Day of Death is to share with deceased the food and drink and dialogue with his memory, with his life, and it is the reunion with the ritual that summons his memory. In this offering, some cempasúchil flowers, photos of the deceased relatives or friends, candles, candlesticks, and food and drink favorite of each deceased, so that can enjoy that seasoning that he liked it so much in life.
October 28 is instead for the hair, un war killer. Instead, John's tragedy, October 30 and 31 are hard days dedicated to the children who died, wisdom, being vampires, and the lights onions. On November 1, with a Science Day, where receives a visit from the cows, children, or los chiquillos, and on days too. The fine-tune arrive, the cows of adults.
Different foods and decided to place it in a foreign dish using bakes and the dead deciding can when the left the typical dishes that in the opening most stuffed tamales depending on flavor, atole, pozole, among others.